one thing I have learned so far since I've been doing research and following different entrepreneurs and business owners and millionaires and people who do videos and blogs that um, everybody have a different approach. Everybody had a different struggle. Everybody had something that happened that changed the direction and the climate of what they was doing. And so it made me realize that you have to get the ingredients needed. That's by watching others and learning and reading and watching videos and getting the concept of business. And then you have to create your own recipe. You see what I'm saying? Because you can try to use someone else's recipe and you can follow it blueprint. And it might not come out to taste like the way theirs did because you are different. You're not the same. So what you do is you get all of your ingredients, you make your own recipe. Hog on.